Hi, this is the Galaxy M34 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch the Google app and tap on the right upper corner. Go to the settings and click to voice section. Tap to voice match and to activate Hey Google feature, click on the switcher. Then just tap to more I agree, next. Not now, and now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully enabled, and if you want Assistant to recognize your voice like in my case, you should just add your voice model. Just click here voice model and retain voice model. After that, just repeat after the Assistant, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.